Namaste. In this video, we are going to solve this problem here given. An electrician can complete a job in 1 hour less than his apprentice. Together, they do the job in 1 hour and 12 minutes. How long would it take each of them working alone? So here, electrician can complete a job in 1 hour less than his apprentice. So apprentice takes let x hours. This is x hours, and electrician takes x minus 1 hours, and for total here 1 hour 12 minutes. Do you know 1 hour 12 minutes? So when we convert into hour, 12 minutes, so actually here 1 hour 12 minutes. Okay, so this one we can convert into hours. So 1 hour 12 minutes, when we convert into hours, so we divide it by 60, because 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, this is hour. And this one, when we solve this means fraction, so 12 times 1 12, 12 times 5 60. And when we convert into improper fractions, so 5 times 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 upon 5 hour. Okay, so this is 6 upon 5 total. So these values we can substitute in this equation. Here a value x minus 1, b value x, and t value 6 upon 5. So our equation will be 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon this x is equal to 1 upon, total is 6 upon 5. 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x is equal to 5 upon 6. Here denominator x minus 1, x and 6, so least common denominator is 6x, x minus 1. So whole equation multiply by 6x x minus 1, because we don't want here a denominator. Okay, 6x x minus 1 multiply with this first term, so x minus 1 cancel, just 6x, 6x times 1 6x. And when we multiply this second term, so x cancel, here 6x minus 1 left. And when multiply this last term, so 6 and this 6 cancel, here 5 times x minus 1. 6x plus 6x minus 6 is equal to 5x square minus 5x. 12x, we can combine like terms, 5x square minus 5x. Both sides subtract 12x. Both sides subtract 12x, add 6. Both sides add 6. This is cancelled, this is cancelled. So 5x square minus 5x minus 12x minus 17x plus 6 is equal to this 0 here. Okay, this is quadratic equation, and here when we compare ax square plus bx plus c, so here a value is not 1, so we have to means here use splitting the middle term, that method. So here product is 5 times 6, 30, and this sum is minus 17. So we choose two numbers which product is 30 and sum is minus 17. So 15 times 2 is 30, but here sum is negative, that's why both number negative. So minus 15 minus 2 is minus 17, and minus 15 times minus 2 is 30. Okay, write first term as it is, last term as it is, everything write as it is. Just split this middle term. Minus 17x we can write according to this. Minus 15x minus 2x. This is 17 minus 17x. Okay. Now here four terms. From first two terms we can take common 5x. So here left x minus 3. From last two terms we can take common minus 2. So here x minus 3. Now two terms, this one and this one. And here we can easily take common x minus 3. Okay, here left 5x, here left minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here x minus 3 is equal to 0, or this one 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. So what is x value here? Yes, 3. And what is x value here? 2 goes right side, it will be positive. Now 5 here multiply, so other side divide. So we got two values, 3 or 2 upon 5. So this x for apprentice takes time, this one, right? And for electrician, x minus 1. So for electrician, x minus 1, it means 3 minus 1, which is 2. And here x minus 1, it means x is 2 upon 5 minus 1. So this is 2 upon 5. 1 we can write 5 upon 5. Now same denominator, so we can easily add or subtract. So this is 2 minus 5 upon 5, which is minus 3 upon 5. But time isn't in negative form, right? So our answer is this one. Okay, x is equal to 3 and x minus 1 is equal to 2. This is for apprentice and this is for electrician. 3 hours and this is 2 hours. Okay, x value 3. So this is 3 hours and this is 2 hours. 3 minus 1, 2 hours. Okay, so very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.